Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Bishop's DIY Auto Repair. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler, where we do DIY auto repair. Sounds like something you're interested in? Go ahead and make sure you subscribe down below so you never miss another one of my awesome repair videos. With that being said, we are working on my 2001 Chevy S10. I recently had a radiator leak, but was able to fix it under $10. So let's get it pulled in, and I'll show you how I fixed it. Here's my Chevy S10. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the radiator leak was and how we can fix it. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so what we have here is we have the JB Weld plastic weld. This is what I use. We have a plastic radiator end cap here. It was leaking quite bad. It had quite a few cracks up this side down here. So I just took this, mixed it, and got it in there with the popsicle stick, and we fired it up. And as you can tell, it's looking pretty dry as a bone now. Yeah, that's how you can fix it for $10 if you have a plastic radiator that cracks. Alright, as far as the other parts of the truck, it is a 4-cylinder, 2 liter, I believe. When I first got this, we had to change the air filter, took off the fan shrouding to get back here and fix that. The air filter was so clogged up that I actually pulled the rubber off of the seal, so we got a new air filter in there. Definitely sounds a lot better now that I can breathe. As far as the other aspects of this truck, we've got an 8-foot bed, just got some new tires for it. They're sitting over there. I should be getting those on hopefully sometime this week and then get registered. And then for the interior, you can see just have a little bit of a hole there, but other than that, everything's nice and clean, well taken care of truck. Alrighty, and then as we get in, we go ahead and turn the key, and it's only got 135,000 miles on it. Pretty good. Came with a new oil change. Not very many issues actually. Pretty clean looking truck. The only other thing is that this is a little loose, but that's alright. And then I wanted to show you how you can save fixing a radiator. Yours is like mine where it had plastic end cap. You can use that JB Weld and fix it all up. But other than that, I hope this information was useful. If it was, go ahead and make sure to subscribe down below so you never miss another one of my awesome videos again. And also hit the like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, all that stuff. Other than that, hopefully this saves you from having to buy a new radiator. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next repair.